For elevator companies, most profits come from installation and maintenance, not communication. But with phone lines disappearing and communication codes changing, your customers still need a reliable way to stay connected and compliant. What if you could solve that problem and create a new monthly income stream at the same time? At Essential Communication Services, we make that possible. With eConnect Voice and eConnect Vision, you can offer modern, cellular-based elevator communication that meets every code requirement. No landlines, no third-party vendors, no hassle. Here's how it works. 1. Install the eConnect device in minutes. 2. Activate the service through ECS. 3. Start earning recurring revenue from every unit you manage. As an ECS partner, you receive ongoing commissions on every active connection, creating a steady, predictable source of profit. Your customers pay for a service they already need. You stay their trusted provider for both equipment and communication. They stay connected and compliant. What used to be a cost center now becomes a dependable source of income. At ECS, we make elevator connectivity simple, profitable, and reliable. Join the ECS Partner Network today and turn every elevator you service into a source of recurring revenue. When connectivity matters, get ECS. Visit getecs.com/partners or scan the code to schedule your demo today.